Alright friends, now let's see how to clear all elements in a list. If I want to empty a list, I can use clear method. So when I type the list name followed by a dot, I write it. 8 is my list name, and then I put clear after dot notation. All elements in the list will be deleted. So let's print my list name, my list. If I run it, you see nothing. The list becomes completely empty. Alternatively, I can use the del statement, which is short for delete. With del, I can also remove elements from a list. Let's do it. I just remove it, or I can put into the comment. Let's use del notation. So I write del after what's my list name. My list name is H, and then I open square brackets and I put comma. This is the notation of del. So if I run it, you see nothing. The list becomes completely empty. So in conclusion, using these two methods, clear and del, we can completely empty a list. Super.